Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Gorgeformen fully submersible grill, which has quickly become the best Gorgeformen indoor grill available. If you're tired of scrubbing grills by hand and want a hassle-free cooking experience, this could be the game changer you've been waiting for. Let's take a closer look at what makes this grill so special. First, let's talk about cleaning. One of the standout features of this grill is its fully submersible design. You can remove the control panel and place all the other components directly into the dishwasher. That means no more time-consuming scrubbing or worrying about cleaning hard-to-reach areas. Just pop it in the dishwasher, and you're done. When it comes to performance, this grill doesn't disappoint. It heats up 30% faster than previous models, which means you can get cooking quickly, even when you're in a rush. Whether you're making burgers, sandwiches, or grilled veggies, the 3/4-inch hinge lets you easily handle thicker foods. The grill plates are coated with an advanced non-stick surface that's 3 times more durable than standard coatings. This ensures that your food won't stick and that the grill plates last longer. Another fantastic feature is its compact design. The Gorgeformen grill is 35% smaller than its predecessor, which makes it perfect for kitchens with limited counter space. Plus, it's designed for vertical storage, so you can tuck it away when you're not using it. Now, let's talk about size. This grill can serve up to 4 people, which makes it perfect for small families or gatherings. Whether you're grilling for yourself or for a group, this grill has you covered. The sleek black and gray design will fit in with any kitchen decor, making it as stylish as it is functional. If you're looking for a simple, fast, and efficient way to enjoy delicious grilled food at home, the Gorgeformen fully submersible grill is a top choice. With its easy-to-clean design, quick heat-up time, durable non-stick coating, and space-saving features, it truly is the best Gorgeformen indoor grill on the market today. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews on the best products out there.